To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This is a 3LT in Monterey Red Metallic paint with the Cashmere leather interior. It has a Cashmere top also. Climbing to the back here, it's got Corsa Exhaust, which sounds outstanding, just beautiful. It's really nicely polished, as you can see. There's no pitting there. In the trunk here, there's lots of room. You've got the fold down area for your top. You've got your storage compartments in there. You've also got your cargo net, and it's clean and tidy, as you can see. Let's close that trunk and we'll have a look at the wheels here. Forgive my mask, it's coronavirus. Here is the rear wheel, no curb rash, no issues, nice polished chrome wheels. It's got the Z51 package, so it's got cross-drilled rotors. We will paint the rotors, paint the calipers before it goes out. This is just the way the car came into us right out of storage. So it's a beautiful car, again, that Cashmere leather interior. The 3LT will give you the perforated leather seating with the upgraded leather. It also gives you the 6-way power with the added lumbar support and side bolster support as well. There is your waterfall on that beautiful Corvette logo on the waterfall. Looks outstanding. That's just a dot, don't worry about it, we'll get that off. It's got the fluffy mats, I like to call them. Those are the upgraded floor mats in it. Bose sound system. Have a look in the door frames there, nice and clean and tidy. Again, we haven't polished it yet. We've got lots of service records and books here. This is a really well-loved car. Let's climb out here, go up to the front wheel. Well, as I do, let me pan down the side. There are no scratches, dents, or bruises there. Here is your right front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Nice looking tires on there, lots of tread. Let's just see, those are Nittos. Are they? NT500. So a lot of guys have been putting Nittos on because they give really great traction on the road. So that's a good tire for this car. Under the hood is the LS2, 400 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. We have not yet detailed the car, but you can see it's still in great condition, just looking really fabulous. Up here, the headlights are nice and clear. It's been stored indoors its whole life. That's just a little water dripping out of the hood there. Stone chips, I don't really see any stone chips, but I think that's a little bug mark, and most of those will polish out. So nothing really to disclose there. There's a little bug there, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's just gonna polish off. Nothing there to worry about at all. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash. Great looking tires, good looking brakes. We'll paint those calipers and rotors and it'll look outstanding. On the back wheel, the same thing here. Again, lots of rubber, nice looking car. On the driver's door, you've got the driver memory package, which is your 2-position memory plus an exit. You've got your power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bose sound system. This one's got heads-up display that operates from those buttons. It's again got the driver 6-way power plus the added lumbar and side bolsters. It's in great condition there. There's no rips or tears. A little bit of dirt there on the seat, that'll come off. We'll get that tidied up in time. Again, there's your paddle shifters on the steering wheel, but let me climb in and fire this one up for you. Push button start. Stereo controls there. I just close the door and we'll scroll through this. It gets you the odometer, which is 33,367. Nice stereo with navigation, so we'll just hit agree and you can see that it's got the nav, dual zone automatic air conditioning, heated seats. Again, your automatic with the paddle shifts that you see here. Traction control button in here, nice and clean and tidy. We have not yet detailed it. It will be a lot cleaner before you get it. Here's your driver information center. There are no engine lights on. Here's your heads-up display. You can probably see the heads-up display if I move it up and down a bit there. There you go, you can see the heads-up display. Change the page, change the pattern, all of that is available. It does have factory OnStar, and it does have a power convertible top, which we're going to push right here, and I'll show you that in operation. So it does all the work, you just sit here and watch. Here comes the waterfall, locking into place. And the top works beautifully. So you can see, so all you have to do is reach up here, turn this like that, and it's locked. You have a glass window with a rear defroster in it, and then we'll put the windows up and show you that they are unmolested, untouched. Everything is in original condition except for the Corsa exhaust. Cup holder in here to hold 2 cups. Your automatic shifter with that nice little tooled aluminum handle. And here is your power trunk and power gas button over there. Got your Bose sound system. Have a look in the door frames, clean and tidy. And there's your convertible top in great condition, just fabulous, like brand new, just gorgeous. So come on up here to the front again with the lights on. Looks fabulous. There's no crazing in the headlamps. They're clean, clear, no scratches, no dents, no issues. We have not yet polished the car. Once we polish it, it will be even brighter. Listen to that exhaust. What a great chug on that. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Monterey Red Metallic 3LT power convertible top, chrome wheels, and automatic transmission with just 33,000 kilometers. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to you making an appointment. Come on down. See you real soon.